What's up guys, welcome to the EVOJ Auto Studio. So this time we are at the Nissan Cars Coffee in Farmington Hills, Michigan. And that's the weekend after the Dream Cruise. Detroit car culture is not done yet for this summer. Let me show you those cars first. Nissan also bring their own cars, and some of them are from Nismo. Let's check out the cars here in the parking lot. So this Cars and Coffee is always open to the public. You don't have to have drive a Nissan, right? But it's made by Nissan, so you can tell most of the cars are Nissan, which is good, right? JDM cultural, Nissan is important there. So we see the Silvias, see the GTRs, it's Nismo, and of course it is a RHD. And a lot of Z's. All right. So see there, that's their main building. We're going to walk inside and check out what's going on inside there. It is raining now, so I may kind of stop talking because I don't want the rain going into my mouth. That's not the day-to-day JDM we see every day, right? So classic, so beautiful. R32 and a R33.
Yeah. And I talked to him actually about an R34 cut out. Then I'll try reading.
So talk about the R34s. Everybody knows GTR, right? But they also have the GTS, GTT. Which one you think you're gonna daily drive one? I know most of you are gonna say GTR, but just curious.
No, we're good. Yeah, it's good over here. There's not a ton of cars parked over where we're at.
I just got here like 30 minutes, and by far, this one is my favorite car. So check out what's going on with this one. You know it is a Nissan Leaf, right? But this one is from Nismo, and it is an electric race car. All-wheel drive, 3.4 seconds, 0 to 60. It is a Leaf, just keeping that in mind. That's aggressive, that dynamic body kit. Nismo. And that's a car gonna need a huge wing like that, right? Downforce. See the paint, this wrap. This is just so good to fit this car. Trying my best to show you what's going on inside, but the rain just not ideal. But I just I don't know, I just love this car a lot. It looks so good. Cool. And we have the Z. And if you see the background, you may have a question like, what's going on with these cars? Right? New Sentra, Versa, all of them, what's going on? So let me show you one sticker, you're gonna know what's going on. So if you are a rally guy, you must know this sticker pretty good, right? Rally Cross. So that's what's going on. So see, those cars are modified, absolutely modified. You know this is Altima, and it's all-wheel drive. But see the exhaust? I showed you the left side, let's go to the right side. See the tires, I'm pretty sure suspension also modified. Purely built for the rally cross. It's a rally car. And to me, right, this part is very important. Like those are your daily drivers. With some very simple, not crazy modification, you can make it as a modified, fully modified rally car. How cool is this? But if you are a rally car guy, want to do some rally cross stuff, those cars are capable to do that. With a proper modification, you can do that for sure. All right, so now let's go into that building and check what's going on inside. Oh, forgot. Those. See those SUVs and truck. Off-road. Oh, we have a fire truck coming in. I guess gonna park next to this Ford Mustang.
Good. Yeah. There's a lot. It's a bit less. Yeah. I'm actually calibrating.
That's a cool Nismo accessories. I really like that one, even though I don't own a truck like that, but that's cool to have. Huh. So now we are walking into the building. So they have some very cool merchandise here. And also here. So check the cars down here. So that's the QX65. If you missed it, in my last video in New York, I covered that car when they first released to the public. That was a red one. This one is a black one. I mean, to me, both of them looks great, the colors. Because QX65 is a sporty SUV, right? You do want to see some sporty colors. Also, if you missed that video, click the link above. Gonna see my review for the first look. And also, another question for you guys. Curious to your opinion, which color looks better? Red or this black? And check this one. Pro 4X. So that's a trim level. From the seat, you know, it says Pro. So, you know, if you are a mid-size truck buyer in the market, in my opinion, Frontier is good, right? It's not like F-150, it's not heavy duty, but it's reliable, and you have a lot of trim levels to select. No matter if you are buying one for maybe off-road, for street driving, they always have a trim level for you. Very good. All right, that's what about the inside of the building. We're heading out now. So check out this police vehicle, Mustang GT from Farmington Hills Police Department. And if you watch my video last week for the Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC convertible, I know it's a long name, that one happening in the Woodward Dream Cruise, this police GT was there as well. But if you missed it, you can check out the link above. And you're gonna hear the engine sound for that SC convertible. Incredible. I never noticed a license plate before, but I like this license plate a lot. You will never want to run from a police vehicle, especially if it's a Mustang GT.